Okay, our review for week 7, day 4. Donald ate half of a pizza and Ronald ate 5/8 of a pizza. Which number sentence is true? Well, half is one of those is that benchmark fraction, and 5/8 is more than half because half of 8 is 4 and 5 is bigger than that. So I need to find the answer that gives 5/8 to be greater than 1/2, which is B. Number 2, which number sentence is true? Again, it's using a half. So let's look at the other one. 3 is half of 6, so that's also worth a half. So I need to find the one where they're equal. Number 3, which fraction makes a number sentence true? Something is less than 3/6. So I need to find a fraction that's less than 3/6, and we just figured out that 3/6 is half. So I need to find a fraction that's less than half. Well, half is exactly half, so that doesn't work. 3/4 is greater than half because half of 4 is 2, and 3 is more than that. 5/8 is more than half because half of 8 is 4, and 5 is more than that. And so that leaves us with D, 2/5. Half of 5 is 2.5. 2 is not quite there yet, so that one's true. Number 4, the Horde family has completed 2/3 of their trip. The Bards have completed 5/6 of their trip. Which number sentence is true? So I'm going to take 2/3 and I'm going to make it have a denominator of 6. 3 times 2 is 6, so 2 times 2 is 4. So the Horde family didn't go quite as far because they're only at 4/6 while the Bards are at 5/6. So I need to find the one that shows me that 5/6 is the bigger fraction, and that matches C. And number 5, which set of numbers has all of the factors of 42? Okay, well, I'm going to start with 1 times 42, and they all have that. 2 times 21, they all have that. 3 and 14 work. So I have 3 and 14 there. B doesn't have a 14, or the 3 or 14. C has the 3 but not the 14. Okay. Then we can go to I have 4. I'm going to make the rainbow here. 4 times 8 is 32. That's not a factor. That's what I was stuck on. But 6 times 7 is my last factor, so my answer is A. D had an extra one squeezed in there. And number 6, looking at the models below, which number sentence is true? Well, this top one is bigger than the bottom one. And the top one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 15ths. And my bottom one is 3/5. So 10 15ths is greater, which matches answer D. Okay, and that's our review for week 7, day 4.